Hey guys, it is me Simone, and in this video we have a collective haul. I have Scrapbooking Made Simple, the Tape Jungle, and then I have Joann's. That's it? Yes. So first is I just do Scrapbooking Made Simple. I bought a bunch of tape. I got an inch and then half of an inch of tape. When I was making some projects over here, I was making one of my little, what's it called, ink organizer drawer. I really needed some inch or half an inch tape, and it's really annoying trying to put down like 4 rolls of 1/4 inch tape down. So I bought some of this off of Scrapbooking Made Simple, and I ended up getting a free gift with my purchase. Oh gosh. I am getting this. It's just some, I think it's like burlap or canvas shapes with eyelets. Yeah, canvas shapes with eyelets. That's why I'm getting. That's a free gift. And this took a while to get to me. I ordered this back in the beginning of August. And it got to me like a couple days ago in September. So that's the only thing I don't like about Scrapbooking Made Simple, is it takes a long time for you to receive your items, like a long time, and it's not my favorite, to be honest. But I love the different sizes they have. They have a lot of different sizes and a great price point, to be honest with you, but a long wait. And I'm the kind of person, like, the only site I'm willing to wait that long that I'm okay with is AliExpress and eBay, because I'm just like, I'm used to it. But other people who I know are in the United States, like, no, I'm just not used to it. So yeah, let's just let's go over to the Tape Jungle. I went and bought some more ATG tape. I bought 12 rolls. I might need to start buying 24 rolls now, but I went in my drawer where I keep my tape. I was like, oh my gosh, I only have like 2 rolls of tape left, and I was about to put one of the rolls in my machine to use it. So I was like, oh yeah, I need to get some more tape. So I just get 12 rolls. I love the Tape Jungle, but I've done the Tape Depot too. They're about the same. Sorry, yawn. But I love both of them. I just kind of been using the Tape Jungle lately, just because at the time they had they're the only one who had the right size little cores that go in your machine, and the other ones didn't. I think all of them have it now, but at the time I got these. But it's okay. About the same price anyways as Tape Depot, but the same. I went to Joann's. I was trying to see what they had. Okay, so everybody's been posting on Instagram and YouTube about the buy one get one free deal they had going on, and so I went and took a part of it and see what they had. I posted on my Instagram. They didn't have anything. They had nothing at my store. I was so upset. I was like, really, guys? Really? They had some napkins and then paper plates and some little small wooden plaques. I was like, this is sad. It's so sad. I was so upset. So I went and got, the only thing that was pretty interesting was a sign. There was a sign that said hello spring. It was cute. Got that sign for next year. But I just went and got some cardstock. Their cardstock was 10 for 2. Buy 10 for 2. I got this because I've been wanting some more colors, especially in 12x12. And when I was crafting, I realized I didn't have a lot of true red cardstock. I kind of have like a berry color, not a true red. So I really wanted a crue red, and I got some yellows. I love my yellow cardstock. Some more browns, other colors I just don't have in my stash to use for some crafty projects up the street. So I got those, and all these were 20 cents a piece. I think the only thing I don't like about sometimes like Joann's deals is you have to buy the number stated to get the deal. Sometimes I wish you can just buy one. You don't have to buy 10 or 12 or whatever. to get the deal. And then I got this. Okay, I lost my glue gun. Now I'm so upset. When I moved rooms, I could not find where I placed my full-size multi-temp glue gun I got from Tuesday Morning. I love that baby. All I have around me is the plug, because you can unplug it and it'll still, it's like it has a detachable out plug, and you can unplug it and have like a portable glue gun and then plug it back up. It's so awesome. But I don't know where it is. I think it's in a box. It might be in the attic. It might have been placed up there by accident. So I need a new glue gun. I need a full size one. That one actually works, because my mini one I have right here, it doesn't really work well. So yeah. So I got a full size one, and yeah, it's just high temp though, because the other one's multi-temp and I really don't use low temp that often. But yes, I do have this one. So that's literally my haul. That's the end of my haul. That's all I really bought. I haven't been buying a lot of craft supplies lately, for the sheer reason that I don't need any more. I really don't need any more stuff, so I just haven't been buying anything really like that. So I'm gonna try my best to sit down and craft more. I've just been really in a crafty funk lately. I just haven't been wanting to craft, but I do have some projects that I've been working on when I do feel like crafting that I wanted to show you. A quick and simple easy mini album, and then a cool lantern. So those videos should be coming up pretty soon after this video. I'll try to post this video the following week, so by the time this video pops up, this deal of getting a free item from Joann should be gone. But yeah, I had people comment wondering where I was. I just want to tell you guys, yeah, I haven't been wanting to craft lately. It's a lot of things, you know, a lot of things on my mind lately. Trying to get my paperwork ready to move and all kinds of stuff. So when I'm really focused on something, I kind of neglect other things, like my crafting hobby, for a bit, because I just can't focus on it. I'm just so distracted. But I have missed it. I've been really wanting to craft, just haven't felt like doing anything, and the projects are just don't turn out well. And yeah, so I'm slowly getting back into my crafty mojo. So that's really about it. Yeah, much love guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Get crafty.